Hello friends, this is Dr. Rahul Joshi. I'm a practicing homeopath and today we'll discuss about homeopathy for sleeping problems or sleep disorders. Today we see so many patients of sleep disorders. People not getting refreshing sleep. People not getting sleep at all. People sleeping at 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. and getting up at 11 a.m. People who sleep the whole day and don't sleep the whole night. So we get such varied cases which people are troubled. And then they say typically that doctor, we don't get sleep at night and the mornings we are disturbed, we can't focus on our work, we get sleepy during the work time. Is this your symptom? Yes, it may be, because today sleeping disorders, sleeping problems are gaining large proportions. First of all, we must rule out any organic causes, any important causes like sleep apnea, like any respiratory problems. We must rule out all the medical problems. And what remains is the mental problems for causing sleeplessness. People who think a lot, people who always think of what happened in the daytime. There is a patient of mine who is a share broker who keeps on getting those figures at night and he cannot sleep. He sleeps at 3 a.m. He's become fat and obese because of all these problems. Do you have such symptom, friends? Please meet your homeopath, because he will solve these problems, because beyond a certain point, other pathies do not have to offer anything concrete in sleeping disorders. A homeopath will take your detailed history, try to understand your core. What is your mind? What is your mental state like? And is there any blockage at that level which is causing sleeplessness? Friends, we have different remedies. Patients getting up at 3 a.m. in midnight will give something different, like say Naxwamika. People who have crowding of the thoughts at night and business worries coming up, we may give them remedy like Bryonia. We may give you a remedy like Kali Brom in patients who are restless and fidgety and who are anxiety about sleep. There are many remedies which can come, friends, right from arsenic alb to belladonna to passiflora to Avinia sativa. I just want to say here once that sleeping problem is a major problem, because only if you have good sleep your immunity can develop. If your immunity is compromised, then you can get all sort of illnesses. And I've seen in my practice that people with sleeping disorders, their immunity comes down and they keep on getting recurrent cough and cold, recurrent back pains, recurrent leg pains, migraine headaches, skin problems. So let's get rid of all these things and let's start homeopathy for sleeping disorders. Friends, please visit a local homeopath, or you may contact me on 93239-71760. I repeat, 93239-71760. I consult from Mumbai. But today, the world is opened up because of teleconsultation. We can talk with you from anywhere in the world, and I'm sure we homeopaths can give you a very good solution for your sleeping disorders. Please sleep well, friends, and stay fit. Thank you.